welcome you all to the complete Android P developer course. So let us learn Android application development with Android 9 Pie version by building real-time applications. Let us learn Android like a professional. Start from the basics and go all the way to create our own applications with very advanced UI tool. We use web services, SOAP-based web service, RESTful web services. We use Firebase, etc. So objective of this course is mobile application development. So what is actually mobile application development? Mobile application development is the process by which application software is developed for a low power handheld device such as smartphone, tablets, PDA, all that. Personal digital assistant, all that. So these mobile applications will come in three ways. One is the mobile manufacturers have already pre-installed the applications on the device. The second way we are getting the application is we can download the application from Google Play Store or from various mobile software distribution platforms. The third way is we can develop our own applications, our own apps we are able to develop. That's what we are going to see. Now, before starting this mobile application development, we need to know what is Android. Android is a mobile operating system. So what is mobile operating system? It's a software platform on top of which other programs can run on mobile devices. Just like a normal desktop PC or a laptop, we use Windows, Linux, Mac, Solaris, all this operating system. So that is used for managing the hardware devices mainly. The same way a mobile operating system is also used to manage the hardware devices. Now some of the well-known mobile operating systems are, one is Symbian as an example. So it was a product of Nokia. Now it is already taken over by Microsoft. The second one we can say BlackBerry, a product of RIM, Research in Motion. We got iOS, product of Apple. One another mobile operating system is we got Bada, a product of Samsung. So we got Windows Mobile, product of Microsoft. So we got WebOS, product of Hewlett Packard. The same way we have got Android, etc. So what is Android? Android is a mobile operating system. What is the speciality of Android? Android is a free, open source. The complete source code is available in internet. So free, open source mobile operating system, and it is developed by Andy Rubin and his team in the year 2013. And later it is took over by Google in the year 2015. And this Google formed a consortium of mobile operators, the technical experts from mobile operators, mobile manufacturer companies, software companies, hardware manufacturers like Qualcomm, Intel, and also commercialization companies. So Google called the experts and they formed a consortium, and it was called as Open Handset Alliance. So Android is a free open source mobile operating system developed by Android Incorporation by Andy Rubin and his team in the year 2013. And later Google took over that company with the development team in the year 2015, and Google started a consortium with technical experts called as Open Handset Alliance. Now Android is maintained by OHA, Open Handset Alliance. But when we say Android, it's not only a mobile operating system. It's a suite of three things. One is a mobile operating system based on a modified version of Linux. A modified version of Linux. It contains a middleware. That is nothing but SDK, software development kit, using which we develop our application. And also it contains some core applications. So when you install Android, by default some applications like calculator, the browser, contacts, all these applications will come. That is what the core application. So Android is a free open source mobile operating system, and it's a suite of three things. It's a mobile operating system based on a modified version of Linux. It contains a middleware, that is SDK, using which we develop our application, and also it contains some core application. And if you want to develop an application for Android, we use some programming languages. So most widely used programming language is Java. But it does not mean that only Java is used for developing the application. So we can use C#, another programming language. We can use the latest language as Kotlin, etc. And also we got something called Flutter. So what is Flutter? Is an open source mobile application development SDK created by Google. This Flutter is used to develop applications for Android as well as for iOS. And this Flutter uses a language called as Dart language. So this Dart is also a product of Google. So what is Android? Android is a free open source mobile operating system which is based on a modified version of Linux developed by Antti Rubin and his team from Android Incorporation, and later Google took over, and it is now maintained by OHA led by Google. And in the next session, we are going to talk about what actually we are studying in this Android P developer course.